Question number 9. Question number 9 says, find the position vector of point R which divides the line joining the point P and Q whose position vectors are 2a plus b and a minus 3b externally. Here point R divides line segment PQ externally in the ratio 1:2 and also show that P is the midpoint of the line segment RQ. Then external division and midpoint formula are there. So let's try to draw the diagram. So here you have to find the position vector of R. R divides the line joining 2 points P and Q. So line joining 2 points P and Q is suppose this one. This is the line joining P and Q. P and Q. This is our origin point O. Then position vector of point P and point Q are given. Position vector of point P and point Q are given. Position vector of point P is 2a plus b. This is 2a plus b. And position vector of point Q is a minus 3b. This one is a minus 3b. No, vector है a minus 3b. These are the position vectors of point P and Q. Now R divides find the position vector of point R which divides the line segment joining these 2 points P and Q whose position vectors are 2a plus b and a minus 3b externally in the ratio 1:2. Our ratio is PR by RQ, that is 1/2. Done. So PR 1 होना चाहिए और RQ डबल होना चाहिए, है ना, RQ. तो उसके लिए हमारा जो पोजीशन वेक्टर दैट मींस आवर सेक्शन पॉइंट R होगा वो कहाँ पर होगा, यहाँ पर होगा, है ना. दिस इज आवर सेक्शन पॉइंट R. डन. अगर सेक्शन पॉइंट यहाँ पर है सो PR कितना होगा, 1 होगा और RQ ये पूरा कितना होगा, ये 2 होगा. डन. So this is the value of N and this is the value of M in our formula. इसको हम A बोलते थे, A बार, है ना, इसको हम B बार बोलते हैं हमारे फॉर्मूला में. Done. So here R divides externally line segment PQ. So now we can write the formula of R, position vector of this R, that is a small r. क्या होगा बोलो? Position vector of section point capital R is M B bar minus, ऐसा फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास, M B bar minus N A bar upon M minus A. Here instead of B bar and A bar we are having A bar minus 3B bar and 2A bar plus 2B bar. Done. M equal to 1 and N equal to 2 are there. So that will give us our answer. So what is the value of M? M is 1. B bar, that is A bar minus 3B bar. A bar minus 3B bar minus N. N is 2. 2 into A bar, or A bar is position vector of P which is given 2A bar plus B bar. Done. ये तो हमने फॉर्मूला हमारे रेफरेंस के लिए लिखा है. Equal upon M minus N, 1 minus 2, and M minus N, 1 minus 2. Simplify this, we are getting the value of position vector of capital R. So this one is A minus 3B minus 4A minus 2B upon minus 1. So A minus 4A minus 3A minus 3B minus 2B minus 5B upon minus 1. So sign will be changed. So it's a 3A bar plus 5B bar. This is the value of position vector R. Done. So our answer is R divides line segment PQ externally. So its position vector is 3A bar plus 5B bar. 3A bar plus 5B bar. Clear students? ये फर्स्ट पार्ट था क्वेश्चन का. दूसरे पार्ट में क्या दिया है? Also show that P is the midpoint, है ना, P, that means P is the midpoint of line segment RQ. आर क्यू का पी मिड पॉइंट है, ऐसे प्रूव करना है. सो व्हाट इज द मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला? दिस वन आर बार प्लस क्यू बार अपॉन 2, दोनों के पोजीशन वेक्टर को एडिशन करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है. सो मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला, अकॉर्डिंग टू मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला वी आर फाइंडिंग द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ क्यू आर. पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ आर अभी हमारे पास आ गया, कौन सा है? 3a बार प्लस 5b बार, और क्यू का पोजीशन वेक्टर तो हमारे पास पहले से ही है, दैट इज a बार माइनस 3b बार. डन. सो पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ दिस आर क्यू इज, दोनों के जो पोजीशन वेक्टर है उसके एडिशन करना है ना. क्या होता है? ए बार प्लस बी बार बाई 2, ऐसे होता है. सो ए बार प्लस बी बार, तो अभी इसका और इसका एडिशन करेंगे. सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 3a बार प्लस 5b बार प्लस a बार माइनस 3b बार डिवाइड बाय 2. डन. मिड पॉइंट के लिए 2 आएगा डिवाइड बाय 2. सिंप्लीफाई करो. 3a प्लस a 4a, 5b माइनस 3b 2b by 2. So midpoint of this line segment RQ is 2a bar plus b bar, and which is nothing but the, ये क्या आया देखो, it's a position vector of point P which is position vector of point P. ये तो point P का position vector है, उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? P divides, है ना, वो प्रूव करना था. वो P divides line segment RQ in the ratio 1:1. That means P is the midpoint of, what we can write? P is the midpoint of RQ. P is the midpoint of line segment RQ. P is the midpoint of line segment RQ. ये मैं प्रूव करना था. अंडरस्टूड ना? ये सारे क्वेश्चन ये एग्जाम में पूछने लायक क्वेश्चन है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? वर्षिता, ओके चलो. कुशल, जैविक, सिद्धांशु, कुशल नहीं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Two adjacent sides of parallelograms are given. So for parallelogram, suppose this is our parallelogram. So two adjacent sides are A and B. So two adjacent sides are given. For this parallelogram, A and B are given. So A is 2i minus 4j plus 5k. 2i minus 4j plus 5k, and another side B is I minus 2j minus 3k. Two adjacent sides of parallelogram are given. Find the unit vector which is parallel to diagonal. Unit vector which is parallel to diagonal. This is diagonal. So what is the diagonal? Diagonal is nothing but the, according to parallelogram law of addition, है ना. Parallelogram law of addition क्या बोलता है? Diagonal gives the addition of these two sides A and B. Done. So diagonal vector is nothing but the vector A plus B. Vector A plus B is our diagonal vector, and then we will find the unit vector in the direction of the diagonal. So A plus B is nothing but the 3i, दोनों का एडिशन होगा 3i minus 6j plus 2k. This is the vector in the direction of diagonal, but we have to find the unit vector along with the divector. So we require magnitude. So magnitude of this diagonal vector is 9 plus 36 plus 4, which is equal to 49, and that is equal to 7. So what is the unit vector along with the diagonal? Vector D divided by मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर डी 7 से डिवाइड करना है डायगोनल को, दैट इज 3/7, 3/7 I minus 6/7 J plus 2/7 K. So this is your first answer. Unit vector along with the diagonal of this vector. Done. Find the unit vector parallel to diagonal. तो ये unit vector parallel to diagonal हो गया. And also find its area. Area of parallelogram. बोलो formula लिखवाया था. Area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram when two sides are given? It's a mode of A cross B. Area of parallelogram is nothing but the mode of A cross B. So here we require cross product of two vectors A and B. So now cross product A cross B, that is equal to I J K. Scalar components of A, that is 2 minus 4 5. Scalar components of B, that is 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus 3. Done. Simplification. So A cross B will be I into 3 4s are 8 minus 8, 3 4s are 12 minus plus, so it's a 10, 3 4s are 12 plus 10 minus J into minus 6 minus 6 minus 5 plus K into minus 4 plus 4. So this is equal to क्या आया 22I plus 11J plus 11J. Done. This is our A cross B. So area of parallelogram, it is nothing but the mode of A cross B, and that mode is, इसका मोड क्या होगा 22 square plus 11 square. 22 square कितना होगा 44144 484 484, एक बार चेक कर लेना आप. एंड 11 का 121. तो इसका आंसर स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 10 605 square units. 605 square units is the area of parallelogram. Clear, students? Here we are given vector A, B, and C. Given vector A is I plus J plus K. I plus J plus K. Given vector B is 2I minus J plus 3K. And vector C is I minus 2J plus K. Vector A, B, and C are three given vectors. Here we have to find the unit vector which is parallel to vector. So let given vector is, that is one vector is given. So let that given vector is, you have to find the vector parallel to this vector. So let's say this given vector is T, and that is equal to resultant vector of 2A minus vector B plus 3 into vector C. We have to find one vector which is parallel to this vector, and we assume that resultant vector of this vector is vector D. So we have to find one vector which is parallel to vector D. Done. So for that we have to find the unit vector in the direction of this vector D. This is our answer. Done. So now to find the unit vector in the direction of this resultant vector D, we require magnitude of this vector D, and for that first we'll find the resultant of this vector D. So resultant of this vector D is nothing but the 2 into vector A. 2 into vector A is I plus J plus K minus B, vector B is 2i minus j plus 3k plus 3 into vector C, I minus 2j cap plus k cap. So this is equal to our resultant vector. Simplify this, 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus 2i plus j minus 3 cap plus 3i minus 6j plus 3k. Simplify this. So I, 2i minus 2i, 2i minus 2i cut plus 3i. So it's a 3i, 3i. 2j plus j, 3j minus 6j. It's a minus 3j cap. 2k minus 3k minus k plus 2k. So it's a plus 2k plus 2k cap. This is our resultant vector. This is our resultant vector of this given. Done. Now we have to find the unit vector in the direction of this resultant vector. So for that, we require magnitude of this vector. So for magnitude of this vector, it's a mode of vector d. So mode of vector d is nothing but the square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 2 square. This is plus minus 3 square, which is 3 square. है ना? So this is equal to 9 plus 4, 22 root 22. Then magnitude of this vector is root 22. So what is the required vector? That is unit vector parallel to vector d is. That is our answer. Unit vector parallel to this one, 2a minus b plus 3c is क्या होगा? This is nothing but the vector d divided by magnitude of vector d. Vector d is this one, है ना, जो हमने डिराइव किया ये 3i minus 3j plus 2k. So it's a 3i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap divided by its magnitude. Magnitude, that is root 22. Done. कंपोनेंट्स सेपरेट करके लिखे तो क्या होगा? 3 अपॉन रूट 22i माइनस 3 अपॉन रूट 22j के प्लस 2 अपॉन रूट 22k के. This is our answer. This is the vector which is parallel to this resultant of this three vector, that is 2a minus b plus 3c. Clear? Now question number 8. So here 8th question is, so that means you have to prove that these given points, point A, B and C are collinear points, and find the ratio in which B divides AC. So 3 points are given. So given 3 points are point A 1 minus 2 minus 8, B 5 0 minus 2, and point C, that is 11 3 7. These are the given 3 points. First you have to prove that given 3 points are collinear points. So for the collinear points, what we are proving? Mode of AB plus mode of BC equal to mode of AC. So we'll find three vectors. First we'll find vector AB, then BC and AC. So vector AB is nothing but the position vector of B minus position vector of point A. है ना? टर्मिनल पॉइंट में से इनिशियल पॉइंट के जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स है उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है. सो b minus a. So 5 minus 1, it's a 4i. 0 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 plus 8, so it's a 6. So it's a 6k. Done. This is our vector AB. Find the magnitude of vector AB. Magnitude of vector AB is nothing but the square root of 4 square, 2 square, 6 square. So here vector AB is 16 plus 4 plus 36. तो क्या होगा रूट 56 रूट 56 मीन्स 14 4 जा, so it's a 2 root 14. Done. This is our magnitude of AB. Then we require vector BC. So vector BC, which is nothing but the position vector of C minus position vector of B. C में से B को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So 11 minus 5, 6i, 3 minus 0 plus 3j, 7 minus 2, 7 plus 2, so it's a 9k. This is our vector BC. Hence magnitude of this vector BC is square root of 6 square, 3 square, 9 square. Done. क्या होगा ये 36 plus 9 plus 81, so 90 and 126, so 126 square root of 126, तो वो क्या होगा 14 9 जा 126, so 9 का square root 3, this is the square root of 14. This is our magnitude of vector BC. Done. AB हो गया, BC हो गया. Now we will find AC. So AC is position vector of C minus position vector of A. C में से A को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, so it will be 11 minus 1, 10i plus 5i, 5j and 7 plus 8, 15k. This is our vector AC. So what is the magnitude of AC? So magnitude of vector AC is 10 square, 5 square and 15 square. 10 square 100, 5 square 25 and 15 square 225. This is equal to 250, 350. Done. So this 350 is nothing but the 25 14s are. So it's a 524. So now here we can say that what we can say, the addition of these two, 3 plus root 14, 3 root 14, 2 root 14 is equal to 5 root 14. ना ये 14 है. So here we can say that mode of AB plus mode of vector BC, that is equal to 2 root 14 plus 3 root 14, that is equal to 5 root 14, and that is equal to magnitude of vector AC. Hence AB plus BC equal to AC, and therefore we can say that A, B, C are collinear points. Clear, students? This is first part of the question in which we have to prove ABC are collinear points. Collinear points prove करने थे. Second part of the question, find the ratio in which B divides AC. Find the ratio in which B divides AC. Ratio find करना है ना? तो सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला के लिए डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. B divides AC. So let's AC. This is our AC. This is point A, this is point C, and B divides AC. Done. Coordinates of A are 1 minus 2 minus 8. C are 11, 3, 7. And coordinates of B are 5, 0, 5, 0 minus 2. Done. So here B divides AC. So here you have to find the coordinates of this point B. That means we have to find the ratio in which B divides AC. Suppose B divides AC in the ratio of M ratio N, M ratio N में divide कर रहा है, तो इसके लिए हम डायग्राम ऐसे ड्रॉ करते थे. दिस इज आवर रेफरेंस पॉइंट O. पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ दिस वेक्टर A is A bar. पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ दिस C is सपोज हम यहाँ पर इसको B बार लिख देते, लेकिन यहाँ पर अभी इसको C बार लिखेंगे, और ये जो पोजीशन वेक्टर होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं R bar. Done. So what is the formula to find this R bar? So R bar equal to MC bar plus NA bar, MC bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. Then this is our section formula. Position vector of B है ना, उसको find करना है. B divides this AC in the ratio of M ratio N. So that is MC bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. So what is the position vector of R? Sorry, position vector of B, that is R, and that is equal to 5I minus 2K, and therefore यहाँ से लिख रहा हूँ है ना, R equal to 5I minus 2K. This is equal to M into C. Vector C is 11I plus 3J plus 7K. 11I plus 3J plus 7K plus N into A bar. A bar is I minus 2J minus 8K. I minus 2J minus 8K whole divided by M plus N. Done. Therefore, now here you have to find the value of this M and N. For that, we are performing the cross multiplication. Cross multiply करो. So this will be 5mi again n. So it's a 5ni 2 से, so minus 2mk minus 2nk ना, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, इक्वल टू ये अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो इट्स 11mi, यहाँ से लिख रहा हूँ 11mi प्लस 3mj कैप, नहीं ये सब कैप है, 7mk प्लस ni माइनस 2nj कैप माइनस 8nk. अभी सिंप्लीफाई करना है तो सिर्फ हम i वाले कंपोनेंट लेंगे. तो देखो ये i वाले कंपोनेंट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर क्या होगा, 5m प्लस 5n, और राइट हैंड साइड पर i वाले कौन से हैं, 11m प्लस ni है ना, ये 5m प्लस 5n, दिस विल इक्वल टू 11m प्लस ni है ना, दोनों को कंबाइन करो अभी. सो ये m वाले को कंबाइन करो तो क्या होगा, 5m, देखो दूसरे पेज पर लिख रहा हूँ, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 5 सिर्फ आई वालों को कंपेयर करो आप, ठीक है। सो इट विल बी एक्सपांशन क्या किया हमने, फाइव एम आई फाइव एन, so it's a 5mi plus 5ni इक्वल टू, सिर्फ आई वालों को रहे, राइट हैंड साइड पर आई वाले कौन से कंपोनेंट है, तो राइट हैंड साइड पर हमारे पास है 11mi प्लस ni, डन। सो m वालों को कंबाइन करें तो क्या होगा, 11m बस भगवान रुको, है ना, एक्सपांशन में कुछ गलती की है, यहाँ से फिर से करते हैं। सो हियर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी आर हैविंग 5i minus 2k, this is our vector r multiply by m plus n, and equal to right hand side पर क्या है हमारे पास 11mi plus 3mj plus 7mk plus ni minus 2nj minus 8nk, done। Here expansion is 5mi plus 5ni minus 2mk minus 2nk इक्वल टू 11mi, आई को साथ में है ना ऐड करते जाओ, ये आई वाले जो कंपोनेंट है इसको हम ऐसे लिख पाएंगे 11m प्लस n, 11m प्लस ni, है ना, ये दोनों को साथ में लिखा। इसके बाद j वाले, तो इट्स 3m माइनस 2nj प्लस k वाले 7m माइनस 8nk, डन। इसको भी आप i को और j को कंबाइन कर दो तो ये i वाले कंबाइन हो गए 5m प्लस 5n, डन। और k वाले माइनस k कॉमन लेंगे, लिख के देते हैं चलो। तो इट्स 5m प्लस 5ni माइनस कॉमन लिया, सो 2m प्लस 2n k, है ना, 2 नहीं मैंने लिया है, इक्वल टू ये अभी i वाले कंपोनेंट को कंपेयर करो, है ना, दिस टू इक्वल टू दिस वन। सो i वाले कंपोनेंट कौन से, x component, these are the x component, so we are comparing only x components, so here we can get 5m plus 5n equal to 11m plus n, क्योंकि हमें m रेशियो n चाहिए, आप कोई भी कंपेयर करवा सकते हो, i कंपोनेंट, j कंपोनेंट या फिर k कंपोनेंट। सो 11m माइनस 5n, 5n को n को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर लो, सो 5n माइनस n, दिस वन इज 11m माइनस 5m, this is 4n, this is equal to 6m, so m ratio n 4 by 6 equal to m by n, and therefore our m ratio n is, cutting होगा 2:3, so this is section ratio, here our r divides